I'm going to give you guys a clear example of why starting your own SaaS company is one of the easiest opportunities to starting a business from home in 2023. Check this out. If this is the first time you guys are seeing me, my name is Jamar, and I started my white label GoHighLevel SaaS company back in early 2022. Essentially, I provide a variety of digital marketing services, including helping these businesses get and retain more customers. If you guys are interested in learning more about doing this type of stuff, go ahead and hit the like and follow button. This is literally how simple it is to get a client. We're staring at the valves to my sprinkler system, and I found out that there is a crack on the side of my ball valve here. As you guys can see, there's a bunch of water, and I needed to call a sprinkler service to come out and replace this system. To fix my problem, I did what anyone else would do. I went to Google, then I typed in my problem and where I lived. These are the results that Google gave me. This is what's called the map pack. It's the top 3 highest ranking results based on the keywords that I gave Google. This is literally what 99% of people do. They'll start with the very first one and they'll call that number. It's currently like 2 or 3 p.m. on a Saturday, and this particular person didn't answer the phone. In fact, it just went straight to voicemail. Because that particular company does not have a system in place to get back to me, what did I do? I just went to the very next number. So what I did is I called the very next place. And surprisingly, these 2 slots are actually owned by the same person. It went to the same phone number with the same voicemail. But because I have a problem that I wanted fixed today, what did I do? I would do what any other consumer would do. I go to the very next one in the map pack, and I'm trying to actually talk to somebody. When I called this third number, she actually picked up the number, and it happened to be this repairman's wife. After having a short conversation with her, scheduling for them to come out and repair my sprinkler bell, what I ended up talking about is how they actually got my business. Basically, what I told her is because she was the first one to pick up the phone, she was the one who actually got my business. Then I basically told her, what if there was a way that you could never miss a customer based on, missed phone calls, busy, or them going straight to voicemail? Not only that, but I realized that they didn't have a website and I could provide one for them. They asked how, so I set up a Zoom call with them to say, hey, check out what I can do for you guys. Basically, I can set up automations inside my system so that they never ever miss a customer. Basically, what I can set up for them in an automation is that whenever somebody calls their company and one of the criteria is met, it goes down, gets assigned to somebody on their team, a tag gets placed to that number, and it automatically texts them. That text looks just like this. The automation goes on, continuing to gather information on that customer. This is a service they'll pay a lot of money for. Link in the bio to learn how to do this for yourself.